What's up? Welcome back. My name. And today we are learning if it matters what hand you use to sign. So this is American Sign Language. I don't know about the other sign language is in the world, but you have to sign with your dominant hand. There are a lot of signs that use two hands, and when it is with two hands, your non-dominant one, usually if there's one moving, one not, your non-dominant one should be the one not moving, and your dominant one should be moving. Like the sign for tree is this. Or husband, husband, husband. It's your dominant hand signing. Doesn't matter if it's right or left is your dominant. No, it's just whatever one is dominant. I think this is like my most asked question actually, but yes, it matters, and no, it doesn't matter what hand, I guess.